day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 40. The mechanical advantage MA of an inclined plane depends on A. its length, B. its height, C. the product of its length and height, D. the ratio of its length to its height. Now we have an inclined plane. Let's assume this is an inclined plane. Now this is the distance that will be moved by the object, or what you call the load. Distance moved by load. Let's assume this is the load. Here is O, here is B, and here is A. Now this is the length, and this is the height, the distance moved by the effort. Now looking at this, you'll see that the velocity ratio of an inclined plane is given as the length, that's distance moved by the object, which is the length, all over distance moved by effort, which is the height. Now velocity ratio is given as length over height, and mechanical advantage of an inclined plane is dependent or depends on the velocity ratio. Now since mechanical advantage depends on velocity ratio, it simply means that the mechanical advantage depends on the ratio of length to the height of inclined plane, which represents the velocity ratio, because efficiency of a machine or inclined plane is given as mechanical advantage all over velocity ratio multiplied by 100. It simply means that mechanical advantage MA is equals to the efficiency multiplied by the velocity ratio all over 100. So you can see that it depends on the velocity ratio, and velocity ratio is equivalent to the length over height. So the answer to this question is option D. Mechanical advantage of an inclined plane depends on the ratio of its length to its height, which represents the velocity ratio, because mechanical advantage depends on the velocity ratio. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more